So since 2012, there is this term aqua viral social media, and also which is AirBus scandal, AirBus scandal, AirBus scandal. Just say I can't want sema ema sebe nipa na ne ho bon sem ni mu den pa the ex-president John Dramani Mahama oni ni nua bema Adams Mahama. Nebusiafo nsem we ba ya na se be ye ka ho asem na ye chi mu na se corruption ne bribery ni adiade efifafa ho a che the issue became something na yede atage Mahama obo Mahama din a obete AirBus scandal. Now up until now na eye OSP Metre Kisi Ijaben wobe ye hu se special prosecutors ni de bia bako Martina Midu ye hu no wabako na sebe Kisi Ijaben so aba na nsembe bra na ya mpempi no amanfo etaye kan is the fact say omoba ye hu case bia omudi so omo so no nanke ye de omo besi wo say they should be investigating issues concerning corruption matters efa government officials for home but the asha ye hu he na no Cecilia Dapade ya te hu stories na updates from the office of the special prosecutor neba still ye hu ne eko enen special prosecutor Kisi Ijaben den sembia betudwa o twemu say after several years after why the findings obaye bi mu beye o findings aya nche da hu hwebo no so baye no he took it upon himself say obeye findings into the AirBus scandal na wakwakoyi ye ni hwehwemu evie na hwehwemu no ene wode hu results ababeto mountain so na ebi no mu eche say if a man be in Christ is a new creation, all things are past. Behold, all things are new. Now say, who the Son sets free is free indeed. Into who Kisi Ijaben sets free is free indeed. In pampering the trema, the former president John Dramani Mahama yade asabri there. He is free of every allegations. Bia ya edia fan ho. The government official ani ye send hubo nsem nim hubo nsem no. True, it's Mahama, but Kamia say there is no stain bia attached to him concerning this AirBus scandal. You know about what I say. I'm sure she has more for us about this issue. Be me say low key na before you best start na say as a follow issue ne kakra because existence no
AirBus scandal.
Yeah.
If it's 2012, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, but sometimes I feel like Ghana for the maybe one my you're funny serious. It's the AirBus scandal. No, say why we need to. And say plane transactions be aeroplane transactions be na quite say abrofo like be UK ni US.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. International say government official bidding ko shemu na unya te special one no say the no person just say omo dey atari obi omo dey tag obi and then the moment it comes to mind, everybody is expecting say nipa da se ni bi edisika do so po bi a yentumi refund ma oni biom na Kisi Ijaben.
Okay.
Sa brante no obeso ya le hu ni say ase
ne ho
okay.
Nyame na meka.
Me kwam go me anu no just say no kwemu time sa AirBus ne ho nsensem ne ba ende na John Dramani Mahama ene war power ene ni nua Adam no so ono so ewo hobi nanso obetimi de ne sesirebo per figures and facts or say John Dramani Mahama sikasem de koye kululu fakadam ni nyina no ne nsani mu bia ono besan Mahama ho na however no obeche mu sem omuhwehwe mu omowura se ko dungunungu no His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama onimu na ni twemu a onim de ekoso nyina nso sika bia nko finance ase
okay
ana Ghana for say sika finance ase kra kesi obekani because say Ghana na ye wono obi esuro ntio
yeah
ochena nko ya mebro enti no ebia na Kisi Ijaben onimu say scandal no ebia sebio sebi peduasa enye John Dramani Mahama kra panyini bi nsa wo muna so ode na no ebeka ma sebe ne nkwa akoda nsan ye ni no ebe ye de kakra nti no wachu so sa but press conference at Kisi Ijaben ni die obeso chese sa for AirBus ni nia no Mahama has nothing to do with it. And they say, yeah, maybe some just say, yeah, Jerry Mahama and Ching, yeah, some police person chain. To be a coda prison, I didn't have banner. I could Jerry the police you, Yahoo Crown, who crutching every airbus scandal you because me, you didn't say, says I scandal, Mahama Brown.
Yeah, because now quite to say in the middle name, you know, John, airbus scandal, Mahama.
You know, right? They're children about ya batch say only she, you know, and everything. But Ghana for being so say Sika what's that airbus in same way, no. Sika mood.
Sure.
And see obi to say OSP. You bet my niska. You bet my tika craman ma woman and why you do. But even though it was take a craman, no, I think Kise Japan is also trying to find ways and means to get into the hearts of Ghanaians to send a pool. It's not also used to assembly say, you know, and so
so he wants us to know say Oba
he's working, yeah.
Because a man for Bonechi passes Cecilia da Pansem na Besine. Want me my finance ne dear cosone dear. Necessary obey to say Martina Midu. Him. No super just say he's relevant in the system. A Juman why be paying. Oh no, nas na ne Juma.
I was just yes, Martin.
Probably. But let's look at the timing. Yensha timing in some way about better Montenso. So we know, sir, we have barely like 3 months.
Yeah.
Now, Odessa and same, you know, say Ghana for yenkophobia. It do about to affair comparison. Ni de yepa. And Mahama Kraba we Maria we what said they one for we uncle one comma one comma say ni say and the kufado so buy so and Cecilia da Paba be riskano and I say and that's a dry comparison. So at this point, Martinami doing to the day sorry, Kise Jaben that they didn't be so one because I some way until say I cut 3 months I got to abano. And I say, oh, Mahama clean sheet be sir. Don't you think say MPP for best or anything?
MPP for the we inquire, sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, like we are MPP for sorry, NDC for sorry. The whole Ghana can say sorry. 2024. And see, we are there. Somebody will come for you, but I think sir, he's trying his best. Say Obama will be who say. Say I didn't say he's doing the job. He just wants us to know that he's doing the job. Of which Ghana for BS supported the fact that also to me Jumano ama BBI okay. You understand, yeah. And he supporting a Jumano, not supporting, moving on, moving back. No, he just did the right thing. Saying by Ghana for being who Juma. And again, it has nothing to do with the echo. It was so obedient.
Okay.
It was so obedient. And whether you are supporting, whether you are for or against the motion, no. There has to be something said. And he said, Nipani din wom na ene wa clear no a. Said me sure say na den kuku for din the wom na or power still. That's all shame na she ni mo put clear no na.
So this not about partisan.
It has nothing, yeah. I think it has nothing to do with
more chichi politics. They should just take the politics out. No more money say the man is doing a genuine work. Yemfanisa.
Sana Ghana, everything we want to draw it together with politics. Yeah, some can be a style be, you know, I'm gonna head in kakra because of this political thing. Because whether or not the thing is not political, you can find ways and means never political by force. Never quite to say, I say, you do you know my point?
Yeah.
I say, Obi so interested. If you are not for me, don't talk about me. Mm-hmm. But the thing is that whether you are for me or you are not for me, we are all Ghanaians. And I said in Prediatan, Obi Chibom knows who Ghana for Nina, Nyadi Obi Jao because also we are Ghanaian exactly. So he has every right to say the truth as it is. Bible question the truth shall set you free.
The truth shall set you free. So it was for after a very long time, Yatna say, just asem ni ya kanwa semama for some time now. Kwa will be a giant who asemka. Senya politics and a bekwa kwatwichi AirBus scandal aba. I don't think say obi kwa bekwa koboso anas obi beka ho asem. But then say kisi jabe mpesa asem no ekwede din ni ehunyi na ye ho asem ni mu. But I'm sure said there will be an update concerning this issue because we are bit by bit waba be ye label 4 nya de and na government official 1 into say official 1 abemu de definitely ebe hu official 2 ne 3 ewo baby yesem bo se ensem we ye ni be koso adi tire na yamamo emu update nyina